Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below for the comment section, and today we are just taking a quick look at Polygon, as we can see on the charts here. So just taking a look at the quick little look at the local price action. You can see we've been stuck in a little bit of a downtrend like most altcoins have, to be fair. Altcoins over the past few weeks have been getting absolutely crushed by Bitcoin's sideways grinding slow downwards trajectory in its range, which has been slaughtering altcoins, as you can no doubt tell by your portfolios. Obviously we are well past breaking down below our 100 moving average on the daily for Polygon, so obviously a lot of pain was incoming once we did see that breakdown and backtest of that level. In this area came down, tested support, and then recently this big fat bear market level of support here has been broken for Polygon. So in the short term we could be looking at some more pain for Polygon unless we get a big reversal out of this area soon. But as you can see, a very simple trade really that you could have taken: the breakdown, backtest and continuation down to the Fibonacci 023 level of support in and around 52 cents there. That was obviously a key area of support that's been back tested. A few green candles in a row here, looking to come up towards resistance and potentially break above this area of resistance again. If we came back inside of this area here and then got a continuation, that would be lovely to see. But right now Polygon very much in the trenches, to be honest, and we are looking for Bitcoin to give it some joyous relief like all of our altcoins that have been slaughtered recently. So